All right. Good morning, and today is the 18th of September. This is going to do a quick review of our live trading section today. For those who have been following us, we decided to at least make our time to always do this to help those around. Okay, so this is gonna be you already know my trading window. I trade 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. daily, Mondays through Fridays. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So this is and I just want to sketch that window out so that we know what we're concentrating on. Yeah, I know my chart looks rough. Yeah, it is to you maybe, but then this is how I understand my chart. So my chart actually looks very, very great to me. Okay, I wanna configure time. Okay, so what did we do today? We had series of run-ups and rundowns. Okay, but then firstly, let's start with the total result. Today we had that's 4 entries, total of 4 executed ideas. I repeat, total of 4 executed ideas, and then we came up with 3 wins and then a loss. That's the final idea. Of course, you okay. The first idea we took it. So this is 18th. That's it. Here. The first idea we took it at that is 7:15. Remember, like I always say, my broker account is a United States based. So the time frames with the Nigerian is not the same. So you're gonna have an hour difference in a lot of areas. So beg your pardon. So the first idea would happen at 7 o'clock, and that's the idea right there. So why did we not execute the first idea? Remember, rules is a very important aspect of you as a trader. In fact, I keep telling upcoming traders or these traders or amateur traders that trading is discipline, and discipline is trading. In fact, if there's any better way to explain, uh, to define discipline, just call it trading. Because if you're not careful with your rules, you're gonna become the best analyst, but with no results. All right, so like we always do, when we are gonna be any trade we have analyzed for a sell, remember our rules. We sell high, at least higher than the previous close, and then we buy low, at least lower than the previous low. Now, this is my previous candle. This particular candle is my previous candle. This candle happened at 6. That is 6:55. All right. So this is my previous candle, and this candle closed right at this level here, right? It closed around this level. I'm gonna change that color. I'm gonna make it in white. So this candle closed right here. You can see that. So for this reason, if I'm gonna take this trade, I'm gonna take it for a sell higher than this close price. So areas around this level or this level, let me use something. Areas around this level, at least let it be higher than the previous close. But if you can look at that candle carefully, I mean the 7 o'clock candle, that's this particular candle. It didn't give us any high. There was no high. There was no recording week or any high that was represented. Remember, if in a case where we were recording a high, there would be a wick above the candle. So this candle just opened and shut down. It didn't give us an entry point, and for that purpose, we did not capture or take this idea. But the idea was already a selling idea, so we already knew that it was a selling idea. But we were waiting out of analysis already for what a entry zone. So here, remember, it is better not to take a trade than go against your rules. All right. Yes, it is better. But it is better to miss out than miss your rules, even if you have to play that idea. Your rules is a major important thing. So we did not take this idea at 7 o'clock. So now before the buyers broke this level was I mean this level was a very reliable demand level. That is demand level. We sketched it out while analyzing the very demand level, and it's represented 30 minutes demand level, all right, and also affected the 15-minute demand level, all right. So it automatically made itself very remarkable. But a lot happened, and sellers forced buyers out of the way. All of these levels and broke the strong demand zones. Then what happened in 715? So we monitored a sign of strength around this level. I'm going to go to my screen so you can see what I'm trying to show you. So during our analysis, remember all of these things has happened already in the past. So we're just trying to bring back what's happened. So in this particular trade, in this particular area, we noticed a brief bias coming into the equation. After this big drop, right here, there was already another drop. But then we started signaling that buyers are willing to come into the market. Remember how to identify or how to know when buyers or sellers are actually going to take position is not something I can explain right on my review section. It's something you have to plug into the mentorship section to grab. All right. So we understood that here some level of buyers are beginning to come in. So we waited for that buy, right? So we waited for that buy at 7:15. Remember our rule to take low. You see that week dropped to recording a low. So we took it at 7:15. So that's it. That's the first idea we took for a buy. Okay, we took that idea for a buy at 7:15. All right. So it's recorded up. So buy is recorded on our broker as up. So that's what we have here up. So that was that push clear at 7:15. That was our first entry. So remember how we take our trades, 15 minute interval. That's part of the discipline. So what happened in the 30-minute idea? Buyers was overshadowed again or suppressed yet again. They were overpowered in a lot of ways. So we had a recording right here of this particular candle, a huge seller strength. In fact, the momentum was so strong that it has to consume the previous buying candle or bullish candle that is resulting in a bearish engulfing bar. But let me also explain this. It takes you being attuned to the market to understand when it's giving you a signal, or to understand when the price is telling you to do something. So if you're not attuned, you won't get it. So here we understood that there was major areas, major setups, not just from the bearish engulfing, but beyond it. So we skeptically knew that it was going to still drop on the 30-minute candle. Basically, our window on the 15-minute candle was also giving us a clue, and our window on 30-minute candle was also giving us a clue. So we grabbed that here. It's going to drop for a while. So we took that idea at 7:30 for a big sell. All right, we took it higher than our open, right? You see that recording week above, this week above, yeah. Confirmed our entries, and then this is it at September 18th, 6:32. Because we're waiting for a recording that is going to give us a higher entry, so we didn't get in exactly at 6:30. Sorry, 5:30 or 7:30. I beg your pardon. So we took that idea, and that was down. You saw that you've seen this remark, a logo down. That is for a sell. So that was that bash. We cleared it to the moon, cashed out and banked the profits, and then we moved. So on the 45 minutes, we also had a struggle between the buyers and the sellers. Buyers trying to reclaim their positions, but then it wasn't an easy track for them at that level. Remember, this is a review of analysis. It doesn't connote what's happened live. If you want to get what's happened live, then for those on the mentorship section, you'll be getting what happened live on the screen, and the mentorship is going to be complete. So here right now we have a 745 idea. So basically, the psychology behind this particular trade we took right here for a buy is one, we had a drop. We had a quick consolidation around that level, right? We had a quick consolidation around that level, and then the buyers were trying to reclaim their positions, right? So we already understood that the price is going to drop. The price is going to appreciate. It's going to go high. It's going to go high. So we took that idea at 7:45 for a buy, for an up, and then we bagged that last trade. And after that, there was a huge drop. Okay, and then the drop affected our last entry, which was supposed to be a buy, but it affected our last entry, and we lost that entry because we bought it while the price of that currency dropped entirely. But then, doing a review of why we lost it, we found out that there was not enough sellers. There was not enough buyers, and then previously the market was already showing us a signal for a sell. We didn't observe earlier enough. So basically, it's been a very good result for us today. It's been 4-3, 3 clears, and just a loss. Yesterday we had 5-1. Yesterday that's 5 wins and just a loss. And that's remarkable. That's remarkable. Trading is a skill set. I want to let you know that you can master it just like you master eating. Yes, you can master it just like you master putting food in your mouth. That you can eat even in a dark room without putting the food through your eyes. So that's it. Our mentorship sections are always open for you. Come and grab this opportunity. This is HFX. Learn how to make money in minutes, and you're going to be very proud of yourself. This is Easy Earners at Master Academy, and I am Point Lord. You can also call me Mr. Bright. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next review. Bye.